Happy Monday. Thanks for clicking to WYTV.com. I'm meteorologist Ryan Halicki. A beautiful start to the week. We'll keep these mild temperatures for your Tuesday, but the day is not going to be as nice. Our next storm system, while it does not look very impressive right now, it's going to tap into a lot of moisture. Rain returns to the valley heading into our Tuesday. So through the overnight, things will be pretty quiet. Clouds increase for us, and by daybreak, we start looking at rain showers developing. Notice the mild start in the mid-40s for lows, so it won't be a cold morning, but it does turn soggy. Now through the rest of our Tuesday, we're going to be seeing these rounds of showers working through the valley. You notice showing a little bit of a break perhaps around early afternoon. I don't expect this to be an all-day start to finish steady rain. There will be some breaks from time to time, but the chance for encountering rain will be in the forecast all day long. In fact, at times, these showers could be a little more heavy, and also the chance there for a few rumbles of thunder with mild temps, highs back to around 60 degrees. Now into Tuesday evening, we'll still have some rain around, but as we go into the overnight, the cold front that I'm watching will start moving through. So temps stay mild Tuesday evening, and then a big change comes overnight. By daybreak Wednesday, we're falling toward the lower 30s, and temperatures during the day Wednesday, they'll stay much colder compared to the start of our week. Now we may be able to rebound a little higher from where temps are showing in the afternoon. May have a chance at getting back to the low to mid 30s, but overall much colder and mostly cloudy day as we come up on Wednesday. Now the storm system that I'm tracking, it will bring a soaking rain to the valley. This time we're looking at rainfall totals likely in that ½ inch to around 1 inch range. So we are going to have to watch for ponding on the roads. Everything's still pretty saturated from that last round of rain, and also streams, creeks, and rivers still a little swollen. Localized areas of flooding not completely out of the question, and of course that's something we'll keep an eye on going through our Tuesday evening and overnight. Now heading into Thursday, that's when the next storm system comes. You've probably already been hearing about this because this one is going to have more of a wintry side with it. As we get into Thursday, we'll look for snow showers possible through the day, but into Thursday night, as this storm system approaches from the south, notice the wintry colors showing up here. Now, the track that this takes is still in question. A slight jog to the north could allow for this rainy side to move in. That would be good news for us, at least in terms of travel impacts. However, potential is also there that we stay on the more wintry side with this. So what we're watching is that track as we go through the week. There's still some time for that to shift a little bit, but increasing confidence here, at least in a period of a wintry mix, perhaps being a little more prolonged. The time frame that I'm watching for travel impacts, well, that's Thursday, especially as we come up on Thursday evening and the overnight into Friday. We'll have to keep an eye out for the potential for slick travel conditions. We'll be watching this storm closely and fine-tuning the forecast as we get better data. Of course, we'll have those accumulation outlooks a little later this week as we get a little closer to the arrival of that system. In the near term, though, it's rain that we're watching for. Developing into your Tuesday, could be ponding on the roadways once again, with the potential for periods of some heavier rain showers developing toward daybreak. Lows in the mid-40s, so a mild morning, rain likely through the late morning, early afternoon, continuing into the evening, and a chance there for a thunderstorm as well. 60 degrees, our high temperature Tuesday. And that is the warmest day of the entire forecast period. It looks like it'll take a little bit before we get back to the 60s there. Much colder Wednesday, and we're looking at mostly cloudy skies. Then Thursday into Friday, closely watching that storm system. Later in the day especially, that chance for snow going over to a wintry mix. And then Thursday night, we'll have to watch for a wintry mix or some snow in the valley. There's also a chance that we could see a change over to a period of rain. That would be welcome news for that morning commute Friday. But again, the track this storm takes, there's still plenty of time for that to evolve, and the potential is there for slick travel into your Friday morning. So we'll be watching that closely. For Friday, well, the temperatures, they'll stay in the lower 30s for highs, likely to see at least a period of a wintry mix early on before that goes to back over to some snow, and then the temperature staying cold for the weekend and watching for more snow as we come up on Sunday into Monday.